Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Meetup how-to tutorials, brought to you by Brighter Graphics Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. Brighter Graphics are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Studio in Bluebeam Revu. To open Studio, click the icon from the panel button on the left. If you don't see the Studio icon, right-click the area, and mouse over Show. Then select Studio. To use Studio you must first make a Bluebeam ID. Click on the Sign In icon. If you already have an account, sign in. If you need to create an account, click Create Account, and enter the requested information. Once you've created your account and are signed in, you will see the Studio panel. There's a tab for Sessions and a tab for Projects. Clicking on either of them, in this case selecting Sessions, will allow you to see the sessions you have joined and sessions you have been invited to but haven't joined yet. Clicking on the Add button will allow you to either create a new session or to join one by entering the ID number assigned to each of them. You can also filter the entries should you need to. This will work in exactly the same way when trying to access or create new projects. Right-clicking an entry will allow you some options for interacting with your project or session. Click on an entry to open it. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at Brighter Graphics welcome your feedback to help us to improve.